Hello. So if you're a personal trainer, there are certain metrics that you use to track client success, right? You probably measure with pounds lost, daily steps, calories consumed, etc. But as a business owner, do you have a handle on your own KPIs? KPIs, by the way, stands for Key Performance Indicators. Basically, they're metrics that'll help you keep a handle on these 4 things. 1, your progress. 2, your client experience. 3, your operations. And most importantly, number 4, your profitability. So today we're going to be sharing 7 major KPIs that you should be tracking as a personal trainer and a business owner. Number 1 is your revenue per client. Revenue per client measures the amount of income generated from each individual client. Knowing this information can help guide your pricing and your strategies and service enhancements. By maximizing your revenue per client, you ensure that your efforts are yielding the highest possible returns. So why does this matter? This KPI highlights the value that each client is going to be bringing into your business, enabling you to focus on high-value clients and tailor services to increase their spending. So it's about working smarter, not harder. So how do you track this? Basically, you're going to calculate the revenue per client by dividing your total revenue by the number of clients within a specific period. Your second major KPI is average class attendance. So average class attendance tracks the number of participants in each of your training sessions. For example, high attendance rates indicate that there's a strong client engagement between you and your clients, and also that will relate to satisfaction. Therefore, monitoring this KPI helps ensure that your classes are serving your clients' needs in the most effective way. Again, why does this matter? High attendance reflects client interest and engagement, and low class attendance might indicate issues with class times, content, or marketing. So how do you track this KPI? You're going to calculate average class attendance by dividing the total number of attendees in the number of classes over a specific period. Number 3 is client retention rate. This one is very important, so pay attention. This measures the percentage of clients who continue training with you over a long period of time. It's a lot easier to retain old clients than to find new ones, so these people are the ones that you want to keep happy and keep coming back for more. Retention rate indicates a strong client loyalty and satisfaction, which is critical for long-term success. And if you're not doing good at client retention, this means that you might have to improve your services to keep people coming back, because there might be a reason why they're leaving. So here's how you're going to track retention. You calculate your client retention rate by dividing the number of clients who stay with you over a period of time by the total number of clients at the start of the period. Next, multiply that number by 100. Okay, your 4th KPI to keep tabs on is profit margin. So profit margin is the percent of revenue that's left over after all of your expenses are paid out, or deducted, as they would say. This KPI is essential for understanding the financial health of your business, which obviously is important to your longevity. Similarly, if you're keeping an eye on your profit margin, you're also able to reduce costs and increase profitability. So why does this matter? It's basically all about efficiency. How efficient is your business? How efficient are your operations? And do you understand the financial health of your business? So how do we track this? We can calculate your profit margin by dividing your net profit by the total revenue and then multiplying it by 100. Number 5 is your average daily attendance. So this average daily attendance is going to track the number of clients who attend your sessions each day. This metric provides a snapshot of your business's engagement, and therefore consistently a high level of attendance is going to indicate a strong demand for your services and effective scheduling. This will also help you understand, peak times for your business and client preferences. So if you enable better scheduling, you can enable better resource allocation. You can calculate your average daily attendance by dividing the total number of attendees by the number of days within a specific period. Number 6 is your MLV, member lifetime value. So MLV calculates the total revenue you can expect from a client over the entire duration of their relationship with you. So this KPI is to help you understand the long-term value of each client, and that can guide how much you invest in client acquisition and retention strategies. Therefore, a high MLV can indicate a strong ongoing relationship with your clients. So how do you track this? It can be calculated by multiplying the average revenue per client by the average client lifetime span. Finally is number 7, and that is revenue per session. So Revenue per session will measure the amount of income that you're generating from each of your training sessions. This KPI helps you understand profitability of each session and can guide your decision on class sizes, pricing, and class frequency. Therefore, the more you optimize your revenue per session, you'll ensure that each class is contributing effectively to your overall income. You can calculate your revenue per session by dividing the total revenue by the number of sessions over a specific period. So now we know that tracking these 7 KPIs is vital for the success of any personal training business. They're gonna help you provide a clear picture of how your business is performing and what you can do better. And that means more profitability and ultimately just more success. So with ABC Trainerize, we're able to help you monitor a lot of these KPIs and metrics in performance. So if you want to try tracking more effectively, give us a try and check out our free trial. Thanks to everybody for watching, and we will see you in the next video.